Hello, this is Jim from the Blue Orchard Bees in Arizona project, and today we're back at the Site 3a where last week we previously saw a bug which we couldn't identify. We took some photos and video, but they were such slow resolution that Dr. Steve Peterson, our expert, could not identify them. So he asked if we could get some better photos. We're going to go try and do one better than that. We're actually going to try and capture one of these bugs. And so to do that, we have ordered a ACME bug capture kit. The bug capture kit consists of an aluminum pan catcher, a transparent overlay, and this vial of nitroglycerin, which the instructions say shake well before use. ACME products are famed throughout the Southwest for working perfectly every time, and so we're expecting to capture these bugs in this video. So let's start with the process of shaking the nitroglycerin. We've now configured the ACME bug catcher correctly with the aluminum pan catcher at the bottom, the transparent bug-proof overlay, and the nitroglycerin all configured together. And so now we are going to release the contents of the tube into the bug catcher and see if we can catch one of these bugs. We've now successfully isolated all the contents, and we'll look and see if we can find any bugs jumping around. Okay, we've examined the contents of the tube from Site 3A on the 14th of April, and we do not see any more of those little bugs that we were trying to capture and identify. So here's some close-ups, but again, it also appears that almost all of the cocoons are open. I find very few that are unopened. Site 3A, contents of the PVC tube. Closer examination of the contents shows that there are these larvae in here. They appear to be moving slowly. There are quite a few of them, and so what I will do is I will capture these in a plastic bag, refrigerate them, and bring them back for analysis.